A day ahead of the presidential polls, RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav on Sunday found himself under attack from the BJP for making disparaging remarks about NDA's candidate Droupadi Murmu. The leader of the opposition in Bihar Assembly was asked about his decision to support Yashwant Sinha, a former union minister, and not Murmu, who is tipped to become the first tribal woman to occupy the top post. "We do not want to install a statue inside the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Has any one of you ever heard Murmu's voice? She has not even addressed a press conference since her name was announced. At least we all have heard from Yashwant Sinha and have an idea of what he stands for," the former Bihar deputy CM said. In a stinging response, the BJP state president Sanjay Jaiswal made a snide remark about Yadav's mother, Rabri Devi, a former chief minister.
हम लोगों को राष्ट्रपति भवन में कोई मूर्ति तो नहीं चाहिए। आप समझ रहे हैं, हम लोग राष्ट्रपति का चुनाव तो आपने कभी यशवंत सिन्हा जी को तो हर जगह आपने सुना होगा, लेकिन जो सत्ता पक्ष से जो उम्मीदवार दी गई, हालांकि छोटी मुंह बड़ी बात बोलनी नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन हमने कभी नहीं सुना और हमको नहीं लगता कि आप लोगों ने भी उनकी आवाज़ को सुना होगा। एक भी प्रेस वार्ता जब से उम्मीदवार बनी है, एक भी प्रेस वार्ता नहीं किया।